This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Wahoo Kickr Core Zwift 1. First, carefully unbox your new trainer and identify all the components, including the trainer itself, the two legs, power supply, and axle adapters. Next, assemble the trainer by attaching the longer leg to the front and the shorter leg to the back using the included bolts and hex tool. Then, select and install the correct through-axle adapters for your bike's rear wheel. Finally, mount your bike by gently pulling back the rear derailleur and lowering the chain onto the Zwift cog. Now that your trainer is assembled and your bike is mounted, let's get it powered up and connected. Plug the power cable into the trainer and then into a wall socket. You should see the Bluetooth and ANT Plus lights illuminate. Next, download the Wahoo Fitness app to your mobile device. Open the app, pair your Kickr Core, and ensure its firmware is fully updated. Remember to close any other apps that might try to connect to the trainer to prevent signal interference. With your trainer powered and updated, it's time to connect to Zwift. Open the Zwift app and pair your Kickr Core as your power source and controllable trainer. The Kickr Core Zwift 1 comes with a pre-installed Zwift cog and the Zwift Click, enabling virtual shifting. This innovative feature changes resistance without physically moving your chain, offering flawless gear changes and reducing wear on your bike's drivetrain. Plus, your trainer now automatically calibrates as you ride. To ensure the best possible experience, remember a few key tips. Always keep your Kickr Core firmware up to date using the Wahoo Fitness app. When riding, make sure only one application is actively connected to your trainer to prevent any signal conflicts. If you experience connectivity issues, an ANT Plus USB extension cable can help by bringing your adapter closer to the trainer. Follow these steps, and you'll enjoy countless hours of smooth, immersive, and consistent indoor cycling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.